The Osmotics Blue Copper 5 Firming Elasticity Repair is a copper peptide-infused anti-aging cream designed to increase skin elasticity while minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. There are many products available to choose from among skin tightening creams, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1. Rich Coconut Coffee Body Cream. Concerned about aging symptoms or sagging skin? For alleviation, indulge in this nutritious coffee and coconut beverage. This incredibly nutritious product, which was created to get rid of cellulite, stretch marks, puffy eyes, wrinkles, and fine lines, is something everyone should try. This anti-aging cream is brimming with eco-friendly components and leaves skin feeling younger, hydrated, firmer, and more refreshed. Jojoba oil, argan oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, vitamin E, and a ton of other ingredients are included, so your skin can't help but feel renewed and healthier. The skin is firmed, cellulite is reduced, skin-damaging microorganisms are eliminated, and the skin is repaired. Minimizes and repairs UV damage from head to toe, is plant-based, cruelty-free, and appropriate for usage. Number 2. Blue Copper 5 Firming Elasticity Repair. The Osmotics Blue Copper 5 Firming Elasticity Repair is a copper peptide-infused anti-aging cream designed to increase skin elasticity while minimizing fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. In order to stop all forms of apparent aging symptoms and give your face a beautiful and healthy glow, this very nourishing facial cream contains natural and organic components that increase collagen formation in the skin. This luxurious cream leaves your face feeling incredibly smooth and plump while also increasing the natural hydration of your skin. Free of cruelty, fragrance, and comedogenic refreshing recipe, safe for sensitive skin, and no artificial colors. Number 3. Reshape and Collagen Firm and Tighten Body Moisturizer Cream. Don't allow your confidence to be undermined by the lines, wrinkles, and dimples all over your body. With Reshape's Collagen Body Cream, nourish your skin to supple, silky suppleness. Just apply the lotion to your arms, stomach, legs, or back and finally experience beautiful, delicious skin. Tired of creams that dry out your skin after a short time? Hour after hour, the skin remains immaculately hydrated owing to groundbreaking aquaspheres. They swiftly and profoundly permeate every layer of skin, increasing hydration by up to 88%. With the firming cream's skin-friendly components, nourish your skin. Green tea's abundance of antioxidants repairs sun-damaged skin. Aloe vera helps the skin become supple to the touch. Moreover, chamomile removes stretch marks and scars to give you the desired radiance. Number 4. Crepe Less Crepey Skin Firming Cream. An advanced therapeutic procedure that rejuvenates aged, dry, and crepey skin with a unique combination of organic and natural materials. Antioxidants in an anti-aging lotion that are extremely moisturizing help to smooth and tighten crepey skin. With a proprietary mixture of the best organic and natural ingredients, crepey skin is reduced, skin elasticity is increased, wrinkles are reduced, and crepe-like skin is clearly smoothed and firmed. Most effective body cream for crepey skin since 2013, Vernal has assisted countless men and women in reducing wrinkles and achieving firmer, younger-looking skin. This lotion was created to treat crepey skin and may be used on any part of your body. Number 5. Neck Firming Cream. A discernible impact on the double chin, flabby, creaking, and dark neck skin. Enhances skin elasticity, relaxes neck skin, brightens skin tone, and decreases dull skin. The skin is soft and smooth because of the superb hydration, which also reveals a beautiful neck. The twin roller massage in AV form introduces a new neck cream. Release your hands and adjust the mechanics of your neck. With this neck cream, the fragrant points of the silicone massage can efficiently speed up skin absorption while evenly massaging your skin. His neck firming lotion contains natural plant extracts at a concentration of 99%. It is strengthened with collagen and elastin to tighten and revitalize the skin and includes a range of anti-aging, nourishing, and hydrating components. This neck firming cream is ideal for all skin types and is appropriate for both men and women. It also works on other areas of the body, including the nasolabial folds, forehead wrinkles, and lymphatic drainage. Improve dry and dull skin wrinkles, relieve neck wrinkles, and fight the stubborn signs of aging, including fine lines, wrinkles, crepe skin discoloration, and loss of elasticity. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.